my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Hey, good girl. Oh gosh. Hey there, guys. So today with me, I've got Odessa. Odessa is 5 months old and part of a very special group who is coming from the same litter, let alone breeder, which is really exciting. It's going to be a lot of seeing how nature versus nurture compares. And so we're all really excited to see how that goes. Sorry, that running got me out of breath. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and see what she knows. But she is also the sister of, yes, honey, Marina. So Marina and Odessa are part of the same family. And then the other two are just part of the same litter who are individually owned by different owners. So let's go ahead and see what she knows. Odessa, come. Yeah, good girl. Come. Yes, good girl. Sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Let's see if she can stay. Oh, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Okay, so right. Place. Odessa, come. Okay, go ahead and check out the heel. Yep. Yeah, good girl. Yep. Yeah, good girl. Yep. Alrighty. So as we can see, we've got our work cut out for us. Go ahead and follow along our 2-week progress. Sit. Marina. Sit. Girl. You girls. You'll do it, girls. Alright, everyone, we're gonna say break on 3. 1, 2, 3. Break. Yeah, good job. Good job. Here, guys, right here. Come on. You go, guys. Right. Girls, girls. You girls. Yeah, sit. Good girl. Down. No. Feet out.